Go ahead and put your name at the top of your paper. This is kind of like a test, so I'm going to read it to you and you're going to answer your questions. So check my progress. Go ahead and put your name at the top. And I'm going to read the first line for you and you're going to fill it in. A blank is an answer to an addition problem. Is that add, addition number sentence, or the sum? Go ahead and write it in this blank right here. Add, addition number sentence, or the sum. A blank is an answer to an addition problem. Add, addition number sentence, or sum. Okay, down here it says add, write the numbers. So you're going to count the side on this side and write the number. Count over here, write the number. Count all of them together. So that's what it equals. Same thing over here. What number do you have on top? Write the number. What number do you have at the bottom? Write the number. Count all of them together and write the number. Up here at the top, count the number, write it, count the number, write it, and then add all of them together and put that down at the bottom. Count this side, write it, count this side, write it, count all of them together. That's your answer right here. Go ahead and flip your paper over. If you need time, pause the video right now and do all those questions, okay? All right, number 6 says 2 plus 3 equals. You're more than welcome to go get your counters out if you need to. Number 7 says 2 plus 2 equals. Number 8, 5 plus 3 equals. Number 9, 6 plus 2 equals. Number 10, 1 plus 5 equals. Number 11, 3 plus 4 equals. And number 12, 1 plus 7 equals. Number 13, 1 plus 3 equals. Go ahead and do all of those. Pause it if you need to. Down here at the bottom, number 14 says, there are 6 birds flying together. There is one other bird sitting on a tree. How many birds are there in all? So 6 plus 1 equals, and fill in the answer right here. 6 plus 1 equals, the answer should go right here. You do not have to do this part down here. We'll go ahead and X that out. Bring it to me so I can check it over. Obviously, you don't have any homework, and you will give it to me, not put it in your mailbox.